You may be wondering what it's like to work with a functional nutritionist. But first, let's set the scene for why you would even consider one. It usually starts with a moment of total frustration. You've had enough, your gut is killing you, you're tired of being constipated, you've put on weight that won't budge. And brain fog through the day, it's just too rough. You've been to the doctor so many times, but no one is telling you what's actually going on, and all your labs are just fine. You have spent a fortune on copays, and you're starting to think that maybe an investment in functional nutrition is actually what you need. After all, you've seen a dozen of them on Instagram, why not give it a shot? Then you find me. When we finally meet, I do something that might surprise you. I sit down and I listen. I genuinely shut up and let you have the floor for 45 minutes to talk about your history, frustrations, every route you've tried that hasn't worked. You're actually being heard. Then we get to work. My job is to make the complex science simple. We focus on 4 things. We open your detox pathways to clear out waste. We get your bowels moving. We do the boring but vital work of eating regular meals. And finally, we address your gut lining to close it up and take the pain away. It sounds like a lot, but it's usually just a few diet changes and maybe 2 targeted supplements to get you started. Then you might think I just send you on your way with no follow-up. But nope, you are never alone in this. If you have a question, you just message me. You don't have to do tedious food logging to see what your meals are like. Take a photo and upload it to the platform. You can access your protocol, supplements, and recipes on your phone. Next, we look at lifestyle habits that talk directly to your nervous system. We prioritize deep sleep to let your brain heal. And we use simple tools like walking to keep your metabolism steady. Simple steps for big improvements. By the next month, the pattern changes. That sharp pain in your gut is gone. Your bowels are moving regularly. Now we get to have the fun conversations about clearing up your skin and reaching your weight goals. After 3 to 4 months of this partnership, you feel whole again. You were listened to, your needs were met, and you had a specialist by your side the entire time. The science may have sounded scary, but the process was pretty easy, and that's what it's like to work with a functional nutritionist.